Freelancing can be incredibly rewarding, but it requires discipline and strategy. First, establish a routine. Treat your freelance work like a 9-to-5 job. Set specific hours and stick to them. Next, build a strong online presence. Create a professional website and utilize platforms like LinkedIn to showcase your skills and portfolio. Networking is crucial. Connect with other freelancers and potential clients. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth referrals. Also, be proactive in seeking out opportunities. Regularly check job boards and pitch your services to companies that align with your expertise. Time management is key. Use tools like Trello or Asana to keep track of projects and deadlines. Lastly, always keep learning. The freelance landscape is constantly evolving, so invest time in developing new skills. Embrace the journey, stay organized, and success will follow. The tips below should help you succeed as a freelancer. Curate a portfolio. Use a portfolio to highlight your skills and experience using the best work you have done. Identify the unique selling point. Know which areas are your strongest and are most likely to yield a favorable outcome. Create a work schedule. With effective time management, you will complete the tasks as per client satisfaction without feeling too stressed. Determine can't work for free. If clients know they can pay a very low rate or none at all, they may not think you are that skilled. Elevate your professionalism. Improve your professional profiles and share your experiences online. Build a rapport. Start and/or complete projects with your friends and other people in your network to help enrich your portfolio. Stay competitive. Keep up with your competitors by refreshing your knowledge and skills every so often. Be concise and precise. To avoid miscommunication, be assertive in communication and clarify everything using legally binding contracts. Do not overdo anything. Ensure that you have a good work-life balance and that you keep your enthusiasm in your work in order to not lose motivation. Organize accounting activities, record and manage all income and also taxes appropriately. Be flexible. You should always be willing to compromise and adapt yourself to changes.